Moylan, Lovell loves me. She loves me. Chocolate, peanut butter, cookies.
Oh yeah.
Gluten-free.
Gluten-free.
You don't even know the difference when it comes to this girl, because when you taste her baked goods, you don't know if it have gluten, if it have gluten, if it have, it's just tasting good. And this is one of my favorites. Most things you do when you do chocolate and peanut butter, I like. Anything special about this one that I should be aware of?
Except that it's really easy to make. You know, we've been trying to stress the really easy to make in the
Yeah.
last 2 seasons.
Yeah,
We've been
yeah.
going for that. And it's really easy to make. That's all. Even you can make it.
There's some nuts happening in here as well.
Because we use a crunchy peanut butter. We're smart like that.
We're making this today?
Oh yeah. But we're not going to make chocolate. I just happen to make chocolate because the principle about this is, as I said, it's easy to make, right?
Okay.
I did this with end of some cake mix thing I had, a chocolate cake mix, and that's why I ended up with chocolate peanut butter cookies. The idea of this
So it's like leftovers you had and you just pulled it together.
right.
Yeah.
So the idea is any of your one-to-one gluten-free flour mixes, any of your flour mixes at all that you have, any of them could be used to make this particular recipe. You just have to check your flour blend to see if there's any xanthan gum in it. That's preferable.
Right.
You want something with some xanthan gum. Maybe
That's
a
an
little
important ingredient when it comes to gluten-free cooking.
Yes,
Yeah.
because that helps stuff to bind together.
Together.
And then maybe some baking powder. If there's none of that in it, then the recipe has a suggestion for how much you can put of the xanthan gum and how much you can put of the baking powder.
Great.
But you really want to find a blend that has it. And as I said, I use a chocolate cake mix, and that was fine. There are vanilla cake mixes. There are one-to-one baking mixes. There are bread mixes. It really doesn't matter. You just want a flour blend that you're comfortable with. Because let's say, for instance, you use a bread mix and it has flaxseed and chia seeds, but then you get a healthier cookie. That's all.
And that's fine for gluten-free.
What do you mean, a healthier cookie
No,
that tastes good?
no. The cake mixes.
Yes,
It's fine.
No, we're talking about a gluten-free cake mix.
It's a gluten-free cake mix.
Yes.
Not any old cake mix.
No.
It has to be, right. Okay.
Well, no, the
So that's
thing
what
about this recipe is it's adaptable. So I suppose for our non-gluten-free viewers, the same principle applies.
Yes.
If there's a cake mix out there that's not gluten-free, then you could do the same thing, because this recipe is really that simple.
Right, gotcha.
And only because today it's so simple, we are also going to offer you the opportunity to take the recipe, my traditional recipe, and do it vegan. Let me explain. So we started with...
Why are you giving me an opportunity to do it vegan? I'm just asking, I mean...
Because, you know, we don't have just people like Joel who like peanut butter. We have people who have other dietary restrictions in addition to gluten.
I apologize.
Some people
I apologize.
cannot have eggs.
Eggs, no.
Either for dietary reason or religious reason. And for them, we've got their back.
We've got your back.
I don't know about you.
I'm going vegan this morning.
I'm going vegan this morning.
I'm putting this back here, boy. This is mine.
That's yours.
That's mine.
So no eggs. We're putting the eggs aside.
So we're putting the eggs away.
No eggs. In other words, it would have been 1 egg for the recipe with our gluten-free.
You brought the egg on just in case I decided to say, I want eggs.
I know our meat-eating friend here.
All right. Okay, fair enough.
So we've got this, which is just a flour blend. And as I said, if it does not have xanthan gum or baking powder, or maybe just a touch more sugar, I don't know what kind of peanut butter you're using. Because the real starving of this recipe is the peanut butter. So if you're using a peanut butter that has a lot of oil and sugar, you check your brand label. Then you can decide whether you want to add a little bit more sugar or seasoning, as it were, if you want to call it that, to your flour blend. So we just have a basic flour blend here. It's white. In this case, not chocolate, white. And because Joel has decided that we're going vegan, let me get another dish. And all we're going to do, I'm going to use a banana, because peanut butter and banana. What?
That's like Starsky and Hutch, Batman and Robin. Who else?
Lilo and Stitch. I got that one. No. Okay, peel the banana. All we're gonna do is, you gotta move on there. Is just crush the banana a little bit, because again, we're stressing easy, but we're also trying to get everybody to play with their gluten-free flour, because I want to show them how easy it is.
Abbott and Costello.
But
Yeah. All those.
we're back to that.
Way back, yeah.
So PB&J. Well, we have no jelly here, but maybe you could drop some jelly. Who knows,
Yeah.
you know?
So
All
you
right. So we just did this.
did that easy like that.
Easy like that. Put that aside. We drop a
Mixing
little
it straight
bit
into the flour.
into the flour, and that's it. In fact, I'm just gonna put the peanut butter into this.
Everything in one.
Yeah.
That's how easy it is, as you said.
That's how easy it is. Now, because I know my flour blend is very boring, I just added a little bit of extract. I came prepared with a little bit of extract.
It's vanilla extract.
Vanilla extract and a little secret ingredient.
It smells strong.
Yum. Well, I put a little almond. because-
Almond. Oh, that's gonna flavor it up nicely.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we can mix that up.
Yeah.
Now-
You mix it because I will have it all over there.
The nicer way to do it, of course, is to just get your hands in. Notice
In.
I have put no water because all I want to be able to see, and you see the thing is, and I feel this is why gluten-free flour and myself have formed a bond. I think I just like to see my fingers in this. See how easy it is. Get it together, and that's it.
So is that you don't need liquid in there at all?
You may not need any
You mean
liquid.
because of the banana and everything that's
And
happening
the
and
peanut
the peanut
butter,
butter. Mm.
right? You just want it to come together. Now we're going to take a little bit out of this because I don't want to take the whole show putting it together. We have a tray that's already prepared,
Nice.
and the tray is prepared with. Can you tell what that is, please, to the viewers? You've been here many times before.
That's wax paper,
Oh boy.
parchment paper.
Parchment paper, head of the class for you.
Got it on the second count.
Got it on
Got
the
it on the
second
second
count.
count.
All right.
Last
if
last week we used
a Silpat, yeah.
Silpal pack.
SILPAT. It's a Silpat baking mat.
Yeah, it was fancy.
Silpat.
Yeah, fancy thing last week.
Silpat baking mat.
Right.
Okay. So
Parchment paper.
once this comes together, all you're gonna do, I will just keep kneading it a little bit.
So more
But
that's ready there and ready to.
Well, not all of it has come together, but generally it's gonna look like that, right?
Right.
And all I do is I form a little bowl. You could look, take. Form a little bowl. Yeah, you're showing off today. You're showing off. You're just completely showing off today. You can put it on the tray now. And to get the traditional, wait, to get the traditional, you know that little crisscrossy thing?
What you do there?
Please. But here's what I need to do. When you're doing gluten-free flour, because it tends to be a little bit sticky, I'm going to dip my fork into a little bit of water, that's it. And then I'm going to press.
Oh, that's why you get that little fancy thing happening there.
And that's it.
Simple like that.
And press again. Crisscross press. Kind of pull it out. And again, it stays on my parchment paper. I don't need to take this off or do anything with it. Roll out all the rest. And then simply put this in the oven 8 minutes.
8 minutes?
350 oven. Done.
So it's, as you said, that mixture there with the flour, cake mix, whatever you're using, peanut butter, your
Egg
bananas.
on my banana. In this case, if you have to and you realize, okay, it needs a little bit of moisture, very
little water.
very little
Yeah.
until it comes together.
Yeah.
You don't want to overhydrate it because then you're going to have a problem.
Yeah.
You're not adding any other oils or anything else to this because the peanut butter already, once it's a store-bought peanut butter, has everything you need. And that was it. 3 ingredient recipe.
Wow.
And if I wanted, I could do anything else I want. As you said, I could put a little bit of more chocolate, some chocolate
Yeah.
chips, some pecans, some
Yeah,
anything I wanted.
yeah.
And but in this case, you have just decided for the rest of tonight to be able to make a nice gluten-free, vegan cookie.
Please check Moy's gluten-free website, moysglutenfreekitchen.com, or we put a link on our website, trinicooks.com. And this is as simple as it gets. I had chocolate, but she didn't put chocolate in this
Nope.
one. So this would be like a vanilla
Just a vanilla flavored peanut butter cookie. So the thing is, again, just remember, you can use any of your gluten-free flour blends that you have.
Right.
If you get a multi-grain peanut butter cookie, all the better. It's fine.
Super gluten-free girl in pink this morning, pretty in pink, Moylan Lovell. Thank you very much for being here once again.
You're welcome.
Every Trini Cooks Thursday, Moy drops by and she deglutenizes a TNT one recipe at a time. Here's another one for you this morning for you to try. We're coming back, folks. Trini Cooks Thursday on A Cup of Joe.